Hey, my ducks. Do you know when you question things and you do it anyway? I'm doing that. I'm at the very beginning of a storm what's brewing at the moment. It's going to be quite a windy video, this is. So I don't know how this is going to sound across. But yeah, I've got about 2 hours to detect and see how this goes. But yeah, this could be a windy one. Right, I've got my first decent target of the day. I'll say decent, it's all over the bloody place. You know, 70s, 50s. I think it might be iron, but you know, I've got to go for it. Just here. So yeah, see the crackers. The grass has grown back quite a bit on this permission so far, so it's not exactly ideal conditions. Neither is this wind, because I'm going to have no clue if you guys can hear me or not. But then again, I should have noise cancelling on this camera, but you'll see. God, it's all over the place, this is. Small, something there anyway. I'll get the pinpointer on it. Well, long behold, we have it. It's a bit of wire. I think that was in plain sight. Yeah, I didn't clock onto it, but yeah, this is what it is. Oh well. It's definitely a storm brewing. Definitely is a storm brewing. Just hope it doesn't rain. Right, I've got a decent target now. It's quite a solid one. You know, 40s. I think it's going to be a can though, because that's the usual thing on this channel and the usual thing in this field. But I'll be honest, I've walked about 10-15 minutes and I've hit nothing. So I'm digging it anyway. Alright, let's get this bugger out. It's loud, whatever it is, it's loud. But my guess is definitely a can. It's in here somewhere. Alright, pull it up here. That's still in here. More closer to the surface. Just here. Right. Just adjust this camera slightly. There you go. You don't see me crotch. In fact, to see it, I think, no, that's not. That's a dead worm. Don't be touching that, Kane. This gone? This is it here apparently. Where it is, it's in here. We give off a sweet signal. It's just a bit of junk. Tell you what, something so small to give off a peach of a signal. Yeah. Well then, that is that then. Move on to the next. Well, if a signal screams can opener, I think this is it. Hang on. Just here it is. It's a little screamer, but see what it is. I think I might even just get this from my trowel. just here. I'll probably pinpoint it first. Have a look. It is actually just on the surface. Actually, it's on the surface. Oh, never mind. Can't really call that a find if it's a surface find, can you? And it says a bit of can. Well, ain't that a bit disappointing? Oh well, at least I didn't have to dig. Cleaning up the farm as well. Got an interesting one here. About 3 targets all at once, the same area. I know in this machine it's probably just one target, but we'll have a look. Something small here, so we'll dig this out first, and we'll crack on with the rest. And I'll tell you what, this storm is starting to come in now. It is literally the calm before the storm. This storm has given out some bad warnings over the UK so far. Storm bloody Agnes, they've called it. Storm Agnes. It's a sweet old lady's name, that is, yeah. It's called Storm Agnes. Let's move this lump out of the way. Right, that was an absolute ball ache find. The first one. Should be in here. Just here it says. Ooh, what was that? Oh, hey! Okay, that's quite sweet, I guess. I found a love art. Wow! Okay, that's very nice. I found a love art. I'm guessing, with that being glass here, this was like an old mirror back in the day or something. Love art mirror. Well, that's a first. I found a heart. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I'll take that. Fuck, I didn't really want to see that. The gates unlocked themselves, both of them swinging open everywhere. Oh, for God's sake. I heard a big bang. I thought, oh God, I hope this isn't bad. I really hope this isn't bad. Both gates have literally unlocked themselves with the wind. Which is a bit of a menace. I hope I haven't damaged my car, because honestly I heard a massive thud. I hope it just hasn't come and hit my car. The gate should have been tied secure, but obviously not. This might actually end up putting a damper on the day. Right. This is why we have metal detectors and shorts, just in case stuff happens like this. Chuck these there. The car seems to be fine. I don't think it's managed to swing. It has swung. It's hit my car tyre, so that was a lucky escape. Very, very lucky escape. I'll try to tie this gate up properly again. I don't want it coming loose again, because that would be a pain in the arse. Right. Obviously this is storm weather and this ain't going to be good, and there's still cows on this land. So yeah, as long as we, our duty as metal detectors is to protect the land that we're on and make sure we follow the rules all the time. Now, I don't really know how much that could stay like that, but I've double tied it anyway. Tied it enough. Now this one's pushing me detector out of the way now. So yeah, I'll put these just up here in the field. Put this down here. Make sure this one's closed properly as well now. But yeah, it's getting rather windy out here. It really is. I don't think this even has anything to lock the gate with, actually. I think it's snapped off. We've got this bit here, I suppose. I'll look after it anyway. Give it a bit of a tie. But yeah, that could have been really bad. Really bad. It'll do for now. But yeah, let's get back to detecting. I've just ran from that bloody tree all the way over there. Not that one, sorry, that one right over there. So yeah, when I say ran, I lightly jogged, because I can't run for shit. So yeah. Right, let's get back to it. Right, after that gate incident, we have my first target after that. You know, 56, 57, just here. Just here, let's have a gander what it is. I hope it's something good. I still can't believe I found a love on it. That's quite funny, that is, to be fair. But yeah. Metal detecting in extreme weather though. Extreme fog, I guess. Let's have a look. I'll tell you if it's anything decent, I'll get the close up on it. Is this it here? Right, that is it. And I think it's just going to be a piece of crap. It certainly is. The good old melted down lump of lead. Oh well. On to the next. Right, I'm going to make this my last signal, because right over there it's looking very foggy. In fact, that's just rain. The rain's starting to come in, and it's going to hit me in probably about 2-3 minutes. Probably why I'm recording this video. So let's get out whatever this is and fuck off home. Because I am not getting caught in that. I knew it was the calm before the storm. I knew the risks I'd get pissed right through. But yeah, see what it is. It's a little nice little target. And it's not a nice target at all. It's a piece of shit. As usual. I don't know what the fuck that is. It's a big ring. Yeah. As you can tell, I'm a bit naffed off that the weather's coming in, but I knew it was coming anyway. So yeah, I haven't really had a chance metal detect all week due to circumstances within family and then the weather. So yeah, the rain is now coming. Yep, let's get out of here and fuck off home. Because I'm not getting caught in this. I'm a pussy with rain, I really am. Oh well. Anyway, if you like the video, I'll catch you in the next one. And yeah, if you liked it, give us a like and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next one when the weather is a lot better.